Who must comply with the EAA? Always consult legal experts in your specific use case and geographic region. This is not legal advice. The European Accessibility Act, EAA, applies to both public and private sector organizations that operate within the EU or offer goods and services to EU consumers. Public sector entities like government agencies, educational institutions, healthcare providers, transportation systems, law enforcement, and emergency services are all required to comply. Private sector businesses are also covered, including e-commerce platforms, financial institutions, telecommunications companies, entertainment and media companies, software developers, and more. Importantly, compliance isn't limited to websites. It includes ATMs, ticketing machines, television broadcasts, e-books, and more. Even if your organization is based outside the EU, if you offer products or services to EU customers, you must comply with the EAA. Accessible Web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our tools, services, and education offerings.